Civil War unit with Sam, Suresh, and Anish.
This is for studies. We have our Civil War test for A days today and for B days on Thursday. That's tomorrow.
Yay!
The concept of the test is the Civil War. We're learning about the Civil War, how it happened, what were the causes, and what was the main cause? Slavery.
Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you next time. Good morning, America.
Okay, today we are spreading the word to end the word. Peer Insights came into lunch a few days ago and did a flash mob, and all just to promote spreading the word to end the word. And Connor has more information on this.
So Peer Insights students came in and flash bombed us in the middle of lunch and started dancing, which I thought was very cool of them to do that. And they were saying they did this to spread the word to end the word. The word that they're trying to end is the R word. And you had a choice to sign the banner that said spread the word, end the word. So yeah, basically every grade and everyone in the whole grade did that.
When we signed the banner, we got these buttons or stickers that say spread the word to end the word. So that's pretty cool. Spread the word to end the word.
In Mr. Doll's Flexes, we have been working with a type of augmented reality called a merge cube. This is a video of what the merge cube can do. Augmented reality combines a computer-generated image with something that the user can see or hold. This is some of the stuff that the merge cube can do. We played one specific game. We played Dig. It's like a type of Minecraft where you build with the blocks.
How to prepare for spring break! Don't forget to pack your super cool dad and brother. Hey kids, let's go to the concert!
Don't forget your hover mother.
Did everybody put on some sunscreen? Don't forget to pack your lummies. Don't forget to pack a gas mask in case you sit next to someone who just ate Chipotle on the plane. Don't forget to pack some Hardee's so you can have a party. Now it's time to get serious and prepare for school.
If you miss school when you're on spring break, make sure to email or talk to your teachers.
Get your homework done before you go on spring break. Make sure to do all of this beforehand. Have fun on spring break!
In gym, we're doing the roller skating unit.
Yay!
So on the whiteboard, we'll tell you to go to the big gym. Your teacher will tell you to come out with RGB open. Grab a left and right skate and your correct shoe size. The way you know is it has an L or an R on the back. If you're a girl, you grab a skate one size smaller than your normal shoe size.
Well, what about safety?
Good question, Ava. You're supposed to bring a bike helmet from home. And then also they have these wrist guards. They're very simple to put on, and your gym teacher will help you. Like that. So if you fall, you'll be safe. Have you ever seen it before?
I've done it a couple times, but I'm better on the ice.
Well, if you need any help, they have walkers, and if you don't want people going as fast, there will be a teacher in the small gym with more people.
Oh, I feel a lot more comfortable now.
Yeah. Bye!
Bye!
Doll Science, we just made thermometers with rubbing alcohol, hot water, and food coloring. And a different class in Doll Science. We have been watching different YouTube videos. The first one we did was a Mythbusters one. It was fire arrow versus gas tank. The next one we did was a Bill Nye one. And then there was another one we did. It was, I don't know what it was called, but they were heating up soda cans with water in them, and then once it got hot enough, they quick flipped it over into a bowl of cold water, and it imploded. And then we were trying to do that, but it didn't work.
Language arts.
Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry, that's the book we're reading. This is chapter 1 to 6 test for B days tomorrow, for A days today. I need to read chapter 6, do your worksheet for chapter 6, and that's it.
In chapter 5, we have been reading about Mama, TJ, and Stacy and Cassie. They went to Strawberry to sell milk and eggs. And, whatever.
What are you doing? And also, Cassie bumped into Lily and Jean while she was walking on the side because she was mad at Mr. Barnett because they were not listening, they were not doing her list. And so she shot at her, and then Mr. Barnett's like, get away. And he said a really bad word to her and insulted her. And while she was going, she bumped into Lily and Jean, and Big Mom made her say sorry to her. 5 seconds of pictures!
Wait, what?
Okay, close it!
Okay, we're in the middle of the geometry unit in pre-algebra. We got these new math notebooks to work out of, which are pretty cool. And they have a cool picture of a robot riding a hoverboard on the front. It really spoke to me. Connor has information on you algebra kids.
In algebra, we had just taken a test a week ago. You should probably have your test scores back by now. If you don't, just ask Miss Perron. But now Miss Perron's gone, and now we have a new sub-teacher because Miss Sapina has her stomach surgery. And right now we're in the middle of the exponents and just algebraic equations, and yeah.
I heard.
HD art, we've been making clay whistles. So we're supposed to make a clay whistle and then decorate it with lots of fancy stuff, and now we're glazing them with colorful glaze. In Mr. Kobe's art, we have been doing our fish prints, where you ink a rubber fish and then you lay it down on paper and rub it in so it makes a print. And for the next 2 days, we will be adding color to them.